everyone. Welcome to this week's Maker activity. My name is Mr. Martin.
And I'm April.
And today we'll be showing you how to make a sail car, or a wind-powered race car.
And I'll be showing you how to make a car propelled by a rubber band. Here are some questions to consider.
The materials you'll need are a styrofoam cup, a can, cup, or something circular, plastic straws, a piece of cardboard, tape, a pencil, sharpened is preferred, a thick paper material such as an index card, or in this case poster board, a ruler, scissors, and a thin material that can fit inside the straws such as these coffee stirrers. First, let's make our base. Start by using the ruler to make a line from the center of the nose of the cup to the outer edge. Then make a line horizontally across that line, all the way to the edges. Continue that line down the sides of the cup. On one side of the cup, poke 2 holes using the tip of the small pencil, one near the nose of the cup and one near the mouth. Then slide the straws through the holes and notice where they touch the other side of the cup. Use the pencil to poke holes there. Try to make sure the straws are parallel. With the straws in place, now we'll just cut off the extra bits that poke out. We won't be needing those. Now set that aside and grab your cardboard. Trace 4 circles and cut them out. You may find that cardboard is a little difficult to cut, so if you do find yourself struggling, try cutting the circles wider than you need, and then trim it down later. Then use a ruler to approximate the center of those circles. Use the pencil to poke small holes in this spot. Do this for every cardboard wheel. Poke your skewer, coffee stirrer, or other thin material through the openings we just created. Notice here that the pencil made holes that were too wide and left my wheels loose. You can always use tape to cover the holes and poke it again for a tighter fit. This part isn't necessary, but you may trim your axles to your liking if you find that they're too wide. Our little car is taking shape. Finally, let's make our sail. Grab that thick paper material you found and tape a small piece of the excess straw to it. Make sure you leave a bit of room for that straw to poke into the cup. You can use a ruler to approximate the center of the cup. Poke the sail into the cup and add a bit of tape if necessary to hold it in place. And there you have it, your very own wind-powered race car. All you need to do now is provide some air.
To make my design, you will need 2 no longer used CDs, a small stick or toothpick. For the winding mechanism, you can use a pencil, pen, or wooden dowel. You're also going to need a hot glue gun, a bottle cap with the hole carefully made in the middle, or a washer, and at least 2 rubber bands. For the base, I use a can of corn and open it on both ends, like this. With hot glue, I attach the old CDs to each end to create the wheels. You can loop 2 rubber bands together to create a longer rubber band. Slip the rubber band through the center of the spool. Slide the small stick through one loop of the rubber band and glue it down. Pull the other end of the rubber band through the washer or bottle cap. Glue it down if using a bottle cap. Then slide the wooden dowel through the rubber band loop. Wind up the dowel 20 or so times. This will create and store potential energy in the rubber band. Put the racer on the floor or a tabletop and let it go. As the rubber band unwinds, this potential energy transforms into motion energy called kinetic energy. You can touch it up with paint once you're all done.